Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited for you guys today because I have a video that's going to help you to set your RAV4 up. It's going to involve a second phone. So if your salesperson forgets to set up your phone or he doesn't know how, this is going to help you to set up your RAV4. With that being said, let's dive right in. First screen you're going to see is this screen right here once you get into your RAV4. You're either going to see create profile or you're going to see sign in. If you already have a profile, then you're going to click sign in. But if you don't, then you want to click create profile. It's going to lead you to the same spot. You never want to hit set up later, but if you do, not a big deal. It's going to lead you to the same spot. So if you do, you're going to go here, go back here, and it's going to take you right back to that screen here. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign in. I already have a profile right here. So this is my car. So let's say if I already have a car in here. So I'm going to hit that little arrow up top. See the little arrow right there? Click that up top. And you're going to see this little plus sign right here. See that plus sign right there on the right hand side? You're going to see that. You're going to hit that plus sign and you're going to see scan VIN. So with that scanning VIN, you can scan it from the window sticker here, or you can scan it from the VIN plate right there. So it's a little bit easier to scan it from the window sticker if you still have that. But if you don't, then like I said, not a big deal. I want to take my phone and I want to click on scan VIN. It's going to bring up this little window here, and you'll see that little window. You want to get that right over the VIN right there. So there's my VIN right there. So I want to hit add vehicle. Okay, I'm going to continue. And I'm going to scan QR code. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to scan this QR code on the screen there. It's going to capture it, and it's going to say, please wait while we link your vehicle. So you're going to wait. And it'll take you to the next screen, which is this here. So wherever you're going to be servicing your vehicle, you're going to click on that, and you can change it on this screen here. So if it's somewhere else, you can tap in your zip code here. So if I want to put in a different dealership, then I have 4 other dealerships within my area here. So we're going to stick to Fred Anderson Toyota, which is where we are. So you see that there. This is where you're going to service your vehicle. So this is going to help you with your Service Connect, which is complimentary for 5 years. Now you see the last 4 of the VIN number, which is here. So it just verifies that I've added my vehicle. So I want to hit this little check mark there. I want to continue. Okay, so just wait for the prompts here. So next screen. There we go. So the next screen, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to hit activate. And if you don't want them, you want to hit deactivate. But that's going to deactivate all your connected services. All right, so on this screen right here, we're going to hit accept. In the new RAV4, it's 30 days unlimited data for your hot spots or anything like that you want to use. So you want to hit accept. You have your XM radio, which is accept. And this external vehicle video capture, that's going to be for your camera. Okay, so that's going to be for your drive recorder. So hit accept, and we're going to hit continue. Okay, so we're all set there. Okay, so the next one here. So what we're going to do, so now we're on this vehicle. So what we need to do again, tap on that little arrow up there, up top. Slide it over to your left. Okay, so we can actually go to your right, actually. Okay, because like I said, there's your right there. So we want to make that our default vehicle. So we're going to hit select. Okay, so there we go. So that takes us to this screen right here. That is how you configure your vehicle. This is how you configure your vehicle right here. So it'll take you to this screen right here. So it'll automatically load the save profiles, which we already have. That's that little tab here. So you have register, we have connect, we've already done that. Now we're going to personalize. So we're going to hit next. So this is personalizing your vehicle here. So now we're at navigation. Okay.
Hey there, I'm your intelligent assistant.
Now we can select what voice we want.
I'm your intelligent assistant.
Male or female. So we want to go to the next one. So keep going there. You can send a text. It's letting you know what you can do in this vehicle. So if you want to send a text or something like that, you're going to say, we're 5 minutes away whenever you're sending Sarah a text. Okay, so that's basically telling you how you can use your voice command, which is going to be this here, guys. So you can use that right there, or you can just say, hey Siri, and then go to that point. Okay, so that's your voice control. This right here is your assistant right here, where you'll be saying, hey Toyota. You can use that, as I stated before, to control your climate controls, your heated seats. Now, because we're in the limited, you'll be able to control the heated seats and the ventilated seats, also the heated steering wheel, and also your temperature control right here. So you see 72 on the passenger side and also the lowest setting on the driver's side. You can control all of that. So that's what this screen is saying. So hit next. That's your blind spot monitoring. So now it's telling you all about the features in the car, how they work. Okay, your lane departure. You go outside of your lane, it's going to give you the little nudge of the steering wheel. That is your steering assist. You have your parking sensors, so give you proximity alert according to how close you are to a vehicle. So that's what that is. That's your sensor. That's your sensors there. The next one is your drive recorder. So we talked about the drive recorder before. Make sure you check out these individual videos on my YouTube channel under Andre Drive. So same name is right here on this channel. Make sure you check that out, and it tells you all about the drive recorder. Also did a interior tutorial, and if you need a tutorial on the or a review on the limited model, that's in there as well, guys. So this is individually showing you how to set up your vehicle once you get it, if your salesperson doesn't do that for you, which they absolutely should do that for you. So let's finish up here. So that's the end. So you can go to, it's telling you how to get to the settings right there. Okay, so now I'm at my regular screen right here. So now everything is set up. So now if I want to set up my drive recorder, I want to go up here, drive recorder, and as you can see, it is off. If I want to turn it on, it's going to give you this disclaimer here. Okay, you hit OK, and now you're active right there, guys. But you cannot have a guest profile and have access to your drive recorder. So to get to that drive recorder, you have to create a profile, guys. Whether or not you add to an existing profile or you create a profile, but that's what you have to do to get to that point. So guys, that is how you set up your Toyota app in your new RAV4. Not hard at all. All you have to do is follow the prompts. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you share this with friends and family. But thanks for hanging out and finding out more about your RAV4 and how to set your RAV4 up. But any questions, make sure you drop those in the comments. Make sure you're on the lookout for the next video that I'm about to do, which is going to show you how to use your app and how that's changed on the new 2026 RAV4. Thanks for hanging out. Find me right here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Threads, right here at Andre Drives. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you next time.